Hello student, electrochemistry we discuss here. Please subscribe my channel. God bless you, all the best. Get ready for exam. What current strength in ampere will be liberated 10 gram of bromine? Current strength liberate 10 gram of bromine from KBr. Solution in half an hour. Half an hour means 30 minutes. Br atomic mass is 80. So, and 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulombs. We have to write on step 1. Twice of Br negative release 2 electron, 2 mole of electron and form 1 mole of Br2. 1 mole of Br2 means molar mass is twice of 80, that is 160 gram per mole is the molar mass. Means this 160 gram of bromine is associated with how much? 2 Faraday. Okay, 2 Faraday charge. So for liberating 1 mole of Br2, 160 gram, 2 mole of electrons are 2 Faraday of electricity is required. So I have given the statement that 160 gram of bromine liberated by 2F at the time, to associated, what you can say, associated with 2 Faraday or liberated by 2 Faraday. So 10 gram of bromine at that time, simple math, 2 divided by 160 into 10. Unitary method just. So 1 by 8 Faraday will be there. 1 Faraday is equal to 96500. 1 by 8 Faraday is equal to 96500 divided by 8. Okay. Now charge is equal to current into time. Time given in seconds. Okay. So we know that time 30 minutes is given. So then 30 into 60 we write down here. Current we don't know. We have to calculate. Charge they have given. Now current will be, what will be current? Current will be charge divided by time in second. So charge here written and time in second I have written here. Okay, so calculate or simplify 965 divided by 144 and simplify it, it is 6.7 ampere. Okay, so 6.7 ampere is the current strength. This is current strength which release 10 gram of bromine. Clear? 160 gram, what is this electricity? 2 Faraday. And for 10 gram of bromine, electricity required is 96500 coulomb divided by 8. This is electricity required to deposit 10 gram of bromine. But they are not asking electricity, they are asking current. Remember this, electricity supply, this 96500 coulomb upon 8. 96500 upon 8 coulomb electricity is required to release 10 gram of bromine, and they are asking how much current is supplied at that moment. Then current supplied will be equal to charge